Welcome along, I'm coming to you from Makati City. I'm going to be showing you around today, so stay tuned. A couple of places that I've been to, checked out, and this was last year when I came, so it's only fair that I share it with everybody. Good food, a couple of good bars that I like, the A venue, which is the Hot Asian Bazaar market, which we'll check out later on in the video, so stay tuned. But right now I'm going to show you the apartment where I booked on Airbnb. It's called the Air Residence, right by the fire station. We're just tucked behind it there, that's actually the fire station. Nice view of the busy streets, which does get a lot busier later on in the day. As you would imagine, everybody finishing work. We're quite near the business area, and it's a good location, this place. Nice shopping mall, big place nearby. It's only 10 minutes in a taxi. You could walk there in about 25 minutes or so from here. But it depends how you are with walking in the heat, and you could probably spend a whole day there if you like shopping. There's quite a lot to do, but I will take you over there in another video. Let me show you the apartment. So you've got a nice bed. It's actually quite comfortable with the air conditioning unit there. Dressing area. The front room to chill out with a nice good TV, and most importantly good internet connection and somewhere for me to work. A nice kitchenette, and just your standard bathroom with a good shower. So yeah, it's definitely a good thing to do in my eyes, because a hotel can rack up the bill if you are traveling, and this is ideal. It's cheap if you ask me. A hotel I paid for last week for 7 nights was like £250, and I got 10 nights here for 300, and it's a whole apartment. Even though it's enough, you don't need any more than this. So right, let's stay tuned, and I'll take you to these places that I highly recommend. Thank you. Just arrived at the Mexican El Chupacabra. I'll put the location on the map, but opposite is the bar Heckle and Jekyll. That's good for sports, and it's not the cheapest of places, but it's good. Let's go inside and get some food. Jane, I'll sit out here or what? So they got all your tacos, what you'd expect from Mexican. They got CC, quesadilla, hot dogs. There's actually a wide range of food here. I've eaten here before and it's very good, so let's choose something quite small. So I'm going to be eating in a few locations today, so I don't want a full lunch. Can I get a combo 4 please, and 1 Sprite please? So the first time I come here at night time, which would probably be better for you anyway if you do want to come in the evening. They have the barbecue on the go, so they cook it in front of you. It's just a bit of a nice food. You can see it being done. Obviously during the day it's not that busy, so they're doing it in the kitchen out the back. So yeah, we'll just wait for it while they cook up our food. Actually, I'll show you what it's like, and yeah, I do highly recommend this little place. It's a good little find. Opted for a combo 4, which is burrito, taco. It comes out with some nice sauces. So let's tuck in. A bit salsa. Spicy chili. So fresh. Beats in the other taco I've had, hands down. Just fresh. Got a nice little kick actually. That was fantastic for a taco. Now the burrito. fantastic. Well, just finished that. Fast forward to the end because let's face it, no one talks when they're eating, enjoying their food. But like I said before, the ingredients are fantastic. And I've got a combo meal, so that was a burrito and a taco for, I think it was like 380 pesos. Might be a little bit more, don't take me for a while on that. But I can see the menu here from now, like enchiladas, 330 pesos. So it's not a great deal, but it's quality. You're getting what you pay for here. So for them 2 meals and our drinks was 870 pesos. So yeah, definitely come down here. I'll put it in the description, the place of where it is as well, so you know where to come. Walk round to this next place, bar. It's literally, you go to the end of the road, turn left, and you're pretty much there. It's called the Handlebar. I think it's American from what I've been told, but if not, then let me know in the comments if you drink there. But I've been here a couple of times now and I quite like it. It's reasonably priced, the food looks good, and we going billiards. Come on then. Nice chilled Magnus. It's about the right time of the day now. Gonna have a game of billiards. We've got a motorbike club here, Mad Dog Philippines. It reminds me of the that film on Netflix. I can't think what it's called now, but they've got like a meeting room in there like they do on film. We're going to get everyone here, we're going to have a few games of billiards, and then we're going to go around to the market and I'll show you the barbecue food. Also has entertainment there, which is a good night. We spent a night there and I enjoyed it thoroughly. Good selection of drinks in there, so if you're missing any drinks from back home, it's a good place to come. It's called the Handlebar. So why not come down and check out the Handlebar for yourself? It's won plenty of awards. It's been voted in online polls as the best steak in town, best pizza, coldest beer, best bar in Makati, and the best band venue. So it's not just aimed at bikers, but expats come here and families. It's aimed at a whole group of people, so it's very diverse. And like you can see here, we've come here to chill out and have a few games of billiards with the kids. Give them something to do as at the same time as having a good hour just to wind down and relax before we go on to the next venue. So the biker club also is known for doing quite a lot of charity events, so it is one of the well established places in Makati. It's been going since 2003, so if you've got some time on your hands, head round and check it out for yourself. Just had a couple of games of billiards. I call it pool at the Handlebar behind me. It's a nice place to chill out, have a couple of games, and walking around to Hot Asia Bazaar. Everything's within walking distance that I'm showing you. That was the second place. Now we're going to walk around to the market, get some barbecue food. The Hot Asia Bazaar. Now we're going to get some food. Let's have a look. We're going to get some dynamite. Get some squid. Huh?
What's that?
That one?
No, here. This is the long time here.
Yeah.
Hi sir!
Dahil po sita ko ulit.
Yes! Hello sir!
Hello.
Babawasan mo ako ulit dito ah.
Sige.
Ano sa iyo, be?
You going for a job?
Okay.
Barbecue kay Ring.
Isang pusit pa daw. Ilan?
Kumain no?
Chicken na, ito pork sir.
Hindi, wag chicken ka na.
Pork daw pork.
Ilan po?
Hindi na, may nakuha na ko sa kanya.
Meron pala eh.
Sa'yo.
Ayun lang.
Oh, Isang pusit pa? Sa pa daw.
Meron na.
Pero hindi na yun.
What's that one?
This is my favorite.
What is it?
It's, what did you call it?
Pork and steam.
Pork intestine.
Pork
Nice.
and
How did you call it?
pork and steam.
Pork intestine. Pork intestine.
accent pa yan, ma'am.
It's pork intestine.
Pork and
First time I try it. Show you the food.
It just tastes like chicken.
Some flavour on it. A lot of time and effort must go into making this.
Yeah. Because they have to clean it really, really well. So you
Yeah.
have to boil it first before they barbecue it.
Yeah.
It's make a lot of effort to make this.
And what's this one?
It's a pork intestine.
Pork intestine.
That's my favorite. It's spicy.
Chicken blood.
Nice, isn't it?
Trying some different foods. Don't know what this one is, but and how much was all of this?
I'm not sure yet, but it's for 3 stick of barbecue. It's 100 pesos, so it's like 1 pound for stick. No, for 3 sticks.
So for barbecue, you get 3 sticks for 100 pesos of what you want. And the squid's 170 a squid. Get some nice big rings. So there's some nice food here. It cost 590 pesos. There's a lot of food and our drinks was 300, so it's a good bargain. Probably recommend coming here. Now we're gonna make a move on to the next location. Bye. We're going to Filling Station, which is our last stop. But yeah, nice good little location. The Filling Station is like an American restaurant. Nice memorabilia. Pretty cool. Got pumps. We've got the old British phone box. GoPro on the wall. But that's worth a few quid these days. Right, let's go and see what they've got. Let's see what ice cream they have.
Ice cream?
Yeah, let's get some ice cream. This place is packed with memorabilia. I'm looking for ice cream. Right, let's see. Let's check this menu out. We've just got our ice cream in. Look, this looks fantastic.
I'm gonna. I'll put on my bike.
That was really nice. So now leaving, if you want to go to bars, there's loads of bars outside of here. It's just the area to go for a few beers. And everything's around this area what I showed you today. So see you in another video.